If I say this animated website is built by AI without manually writing the code, I created a detail prompt with ChatGPT, added it inside Antigravity, and instead of writing code, the entire website was generated automatically. So here you're controlling the design and animations through your prompt. And as you can see, the result is actually usable. Smooth animations, working interactions, and a complete website. Now this same website is taken and converted into a working WordPress theme without changing anything. So in this video, you'll see the full process from generating the website in Antigravity to refining it and turning it into a WordPress site. So let's get started. Now the quality of your website completely depends on the prompt you give. So instead of using a basic one, I've created a very detailed prompt using ChatGPT 5.3. So just copy this prompt. You'll find the full prompt link in the description so you can easily copy it from there. Now moving to Antigravity, I'm pasting the same prompt here. For better accuracy, I'm using Gemini 3 Flash, which helps in getting more precise and structured results for this kind of task. Right from the start, I've clearly defined a premium animated landing page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with proper sections, UI structure, and animation style, so the AI understands exactly what kind of website we're building. As you can see, this prompt covers layout, content, and animations, which means we're not generating a random design, but a more structured and high-quality landing page with a clear direction. And to guide the visuals better, I'm also adding a reference image and animation video, so the AI gets a clear idea of the design style, motion feel, and overall experience, keeping everything accurate and consistent. Once everything is set, just click on Run. Now Antigravity will first create an implementation plan, and here you can see it has also generated an image that will be used inside the landing page. So I'm clicking on Proceed to continue. After that, it starts generating the website files like index.html, style.css, and script.js. Now one thing to note here is that if the process stops in between, you don't need to worry. Just click on Run again, and Antigravity will continue from where it stopped. As you can see, it has now generated all the required code files for the website. So I'm clicking on Accept All to apply the changes. Now if the process gets stuck here, simply type Continue, and it will resume from where it stopped. After that, it completes the remaining files as well. So from here, click on Accept All. And now you can see the full website is ready, and it redirects us to the preview to check the final result. Here the output is already looking strong. The strawberry splash animation feels premium, the bottle is properly highlighted, and the buttons are working with smooth hover effects. Now this is where the real refinement starts. The main design is ready, but to make the page feel more polished and interactive, I want the info boxes and flavors, benefits, ingredients, and reviews to react when the cursor moves over them. So I'm going back to Antigravity and adding a small refinement prompt. I'm telling it that whenever I move the cursor over any info box, it should feel interactive and responsive while still matching the current design style. Once the prompt is added, I'm clicking on Run. Now Antigravity is asking for permission because it needs to update the existing HTML, CSS, or JavaScript files. So I'm reviewing the changes and clicking on Accept All to apply them. And here it asks again because another update was made in the style file. So click on Accept All one more time to confirm the final changes. Now as you can see, when you hover over these info boxes, they are reacting, which already feels much better. But to make this even more premium for your users, I want the hover effect to feel exactly like the Order Now button. Same smooth animation, highlight, and interaction. So now I'm going back to Antigravity and adding this refinement prompt. Since this update is improving existing interactions, it asks for permission to modify the current CSS and behavior files. Simply click on Accept All to apply the changes safely. And if the process pauses anywhere, just type Continue, so it completes all updates properly. Now as you can see, the result is much better. All the info boxes are now matching the Order Now button with the same smooth hover animation, highlight, and interaction. And this small change makes the whole website feel more consistent and premium. All right, now the website is working perfectly, so the next step is to convert it into a WordPress theme. For that, I'm using the second prompt, which was also created with ChatGPT. Here I've clearly defined that the website needs to be converted into a WordPress theme, and nothing should change, not the design, layout, content, animations, or even the responsive behavior. Now I'm copying this prompt and pasting it into Antigravity. You can follow the same on your site as well. Then just hit enter and it starts running. As you can see, it begins generating files like index.html and script.js automatically. So this is where ChatGPT really helps you not just in writing the prompt, but in giving you a ready structure that saves your time and keeps everything aligned. Now I'm clicking on Run. Now it starts processing, and here it asks for permission. This is because it's creating and updating the theme files based on our prompt, so I'm clicking on Accept All. You'll see this step comes again. That's normal because it's generating different files one by one, like header, footer, and functions. So again, I'm clicking on Accept All and then clicking Run to continue. All right, now as you can see, the process is complete and it has created the theme zip file. On the left side, you can see the zip file here. I'm just right-clicking on it, copying the path, and once you paste this in the browser, the file gets downloaded directly. Now after that, we need to upload this theme into WordPress. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then from the sidebar, click on Appearance, and then click on Add Theme. From here, click on Upload Theme, select the zip file we just downloaded, install it, and then activate it. Now once it's activated, you can click on Theme Details or simply visit the site. And as you can see, the theme is successfully applied. Everything is working buttons, sections, and info boxes, all converted exactly the same as our original design. But here's one small real issue. If you look at the header, it feels slightly cut from the top. So what I'm doing is taking a quick screenshot of this header, then heading back to Antigravity to fix it. Now here I'm giving a very clear and simple prompt. Everything is perfect and working fine. Only fix the minor header issue where the Berry Burst logo / text is slightly cut at the top. Add proper top padding or spacing so it shows fully, and do not change anything else. After this fix, give me the updated installable zip file again. Now click on Run, and as expected, it prompts for permission to update the header file. Just click on Accept All. And done. It generates the updated zip again. Now the same process. Copy the path, paste it in the browser. Download the new zip. Then go back to WordPress, open Appearance, click on Add Theme, then choose Upload Theme. Now select the new zip file and install it. And since the theme already exists, just click on Replace Installed with Uploaded. Now click on Preview, and as you can see, the header is now perfectly fixed. No cut. Proper spacing. Now let's check it on the live site. Alright, here you'll notice a small thing. The header spacing still needs a slight polish, but no worries, this usually happens because WordPress adds some extra spacing by default. So to fix that properly, just copy a tweak from the doc. This is just to control the header spacing and make sure nothing gets cut or misaligned. Now go back to the WordPress customizer. Open additional CSS, paste it here, and click on Publish. And now when you view the site, everything looks clean, properly aligned, and exactly how we designed it. And finally, as you scroll through the website, you can clearly see that the design, animations, hover effects, and layout, everything is intact, smooth, and working just like the original build. Now this is exactly the kind of result most people try to achieve, but to get here they usually end up installing multiple plugins for performance, security, and admin control, which slowly makes things harder to manage over time. But here, with Nextra extension, you're handling all of this from one place. And these tabs like Utilities, Performance, Security, and Admin Interface are actually helping you optimize your site, manage settings easily, and keep everything organized without adding extra plugins. If you want to try Nextra extension, I've added the link in the description. You can check it out. Alright, so this is how you can build an animated website and convert it into a fully working WordPress theme, step by step. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical AI and WordPress workflows like this, and I'll see you in the next one.